Hello, this is OBDOLS in a new video about how to install ETK software for BMW parts. You can get the software from the link in the description below. I also include a full installation guide and free remote support if you need help. Double-click on BMW ETK 2020-01. Click on Setup, then select a language, then click on Next. Keep pressing Next while leaving everything in default. Allow access. Fill application port with 1027 and shutdown port 1028. Click OK. Do not change anything here. Let's select a market. I will go with Europe, and you can choose whatever market you are living at, then hit OK. Select both. Mark down install the Rolls-Royce brand. OK. Rolls-Royce password is Oxford 12. Mark down Zonoro brand 2. For the password of this is Shenyang 15. Hit OK. Select No Data Migration. Fill both company and associate ID fields with 1, then hit OK. Nice. Procedure completed successfully. Hit Exit and keep everything as it is, and click OK. Good job. So the software is well installed and ready to use. Let's start the ETK software from the desktop shortcut. Allow access. Here we just need to fill our preferred settings. You can do the same as me, or do your own settings. Congratulations. The software is well installed and ready to be explored. If you got stuck at any step, drop a comment below and I'll help you out personally. The download link is in the description, and if you need me to install it for you remotely, that's also available for free when you purchase from my store. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe. I upload new tutorials regularly. See you in the next one.